Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we have this cool amazing product right here in my hand, and basically what this is a fashionable lanyard that you can use basically anywhere you want to. But usually people hook this onto like their bag or backpack or whatever. So in case you guys are curious about what I mean, you guys can refer to this image right here. But first thing first, let's actually open up to show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so when you take it out, you guys can see that this is basically what's included inside. So they do provide you guys this zip tie that you can use right here. Definitely looks pretty cool. So you guys can just lock it in to use whatever you guys want. But you guys can definitely see and feel the material itself is pretty high quality for the zip tie itself right here. And then right here, you guys can see this is basically what the lanyard or the fashionable lanyard looks like. So they definitely have this very nice kind of design, a very cool design that kind of give me that vibe of like a Supreme kind of logo to it, which is super cool. And then there's some more stuff on this side as well. You can see right there. The material on here definitely feels pretty nice. If you guys want to open up, you guys definitely can, just like that. If you guys take a look on this side right here, you guys can see that there's a little clip right here, and there's a very strong kind of like metal clip. You can see right here, and they do have this little keychain slot for you to put your keys here as well. And it's locked inside right here for extra security, so that way it will never fall off. So literally all you guys need to do is just clip this onto your backpack or bag, or if you guys want to, just put this on your wrist like this as well and just go about your day with all your keys, or you just hang this on your pocket as well, so something like this and just hang it like that. You guys can definitely do that as well. So obviously right now it's not secure, so you do want to lock it somewhere that's more secured, like your backpack strap or something. But that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Very simple product. And for this product, they actually come in two different colors. They either come in red color like this, or they come in the black one. So you definitely have different options to choose from as well. But that is basically everything that's on the product itself in terms of how to use it and what the product looks like right here. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I would have to say that these are worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for like a fashionable lanyard that looks pretty amazing and feels amazing as well. They can also use it on your wrist as well, and not just the clip option right here in your bag. They can also use a keychain to put your wallet, your keys or whatever. Then these are pretty awesome. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have this one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else actually you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.